Aging is defined as decreased ability of the body to adapt to the environment's physiology and psychology, which ultimately leads to death. Major characteristics of aging process include progressive accumulation of macromolecular damage, impaired tissue repair, gradual loss of functional integrity, and increased risk of death. Aging is caused by a combination of external factors such as ultraviolet radiation, diet and nutrition, various environmental pollutants, etc., and internal factors such as hormonal changes, genetics, and metabolic derangements. Principal molecular mechanisms behind the aging process include free radical-induced oxidative stress, inflammation, DNA damage and gene mutations, accumulation of advanced glycation end products, and alteration of micro-RNA function. As many of you can understand, diet can significantly affect above-mentioned mechanisms and influence the aging process. So, a healthy diet with balanced nutrition is an important measure to delay the aging process and prolong life. In this video, I will discuss 6 anti-aging foods to include into your healthy diet. Papaya. Papaya is a popular tropical fruit with a delicious taste and an exceptional nutritional value. People in tropics use papaya as a natural remedy for constipation. Papaya contains a wide variety of antioxidants, including vitamin C and E, and carotenoids like lycopene. These antioxidants help prevent free radical-induced oxidative damage and slow down the aging process. A recent study has found that papaya pulp potentially reduces the brain aging process through several neuroprotective mechanisms. Moreover, papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which delays the aging process by acting as an anti-inflammatory agent. Blueberries. Berries are extremely popular for their high antioxidant content. Blueberries are packed with vitamin A and C and anthocyanins. These powerful antioxidants delay the aging process by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, as well as by preventing collagen loss. Nuts. Nuts like almonds and walnuts are a great source of vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps repair damaged tissue, retain skin moisture, and protect the skin from ultraviolet radiation. They are also high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Studies also indicate that regular consumption of nuts for a long time has been associated with an improved cognitive function in older individuals, which suggests their neuroprotective mechanisms. Avocado. Avocados are rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C and E, beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin. They also contain healthy fats, potassium, and fiber. Studies indicate that regular intake of avocado has been linked to increased elasticity and firmness of the facial skin. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are another good source of vitamin C and E, as well as beta-carotene. All these nutrients act as antioxidants, which prevent cellular damage and slow down the aging process. Additionally, they are an excellent source of fiber, potassium, and complex carbohydrates. Pomegranates. Pomegranate is referred to as a superfruit due to its high antioxidant content and incredible health benefits. They contain a variety of antioxidants, including anthocyanins and vitamin C. Studies indicate that pomegranates have anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and antibacterial properties. They also contain compounds called punicollagens, which help preserve collagen in the skin, slowing down the aging process.